elimination by substitution method, we eliminate either x or y from equation 1 and that we substitute in equation 2 and simplify. Eliminate either x or y from equation 1 and substitute that value in equation 2 to solve this. So second, third, let me write third also. 2x plus 3y is 8. 2x plus 3y is 8 and 2x is equal to 2 plus 3y. Same method, so second and third both will be homework. Wait. First you accept yes. Then I will do fourth. Fourth is slightly different. 0.2x. Chapter 6, exercise 6a. 0.2 into first simultaneous linear equation. 0.1 into y is 25 and 2 into x minus 2 minus 1.6y is equal to 116. We have to solve this. Now fourth I will do. 0.2x plus 0.1y is equal to 25 and 2 into x minus 2 minus 1.6 into y is 116. Yes, wait. So we'll solve this. 0.2x plus 0.1y is equal to 25. So first we remove the decimal. First I will simplify equation 1. 0.2 after decimal there is one digit. After decimal there is one digit. X you don't so that is 2x upon 10 plus after decimal there is one digit 0.1, so this is y upon 10 is equal to 25. Now you take no. After decimal we are not multiplying by 10, we are removing this decimal. When we remove the decimal, after decimal there is one digit, so denominator it will be 10. So 2 upon 10 into x. 0.1 remove the decimal, 1 upon 10 into y, so y upon 10. Now LCM of this 10, 10, 10, so 2x plus y upon 10 is equal to 25. So cross multiply, 25 means 25 upon 1, so cross multiply, you will get 2x plus y is equal to 25 into 10. So 2x plus y is equal to 250. So we can simplify, either eliminate x or y. This is my equation 1. That eliminate we will do afterward. First I have to simplify. Now this is my equation 2. Equation 2 also I will simplify. So 2 into x minus 2 minus 1.6y is equal to 116 Now simplify. So that is 2x minus 4. Open this bracket. 2x minus 2 into 2, 4 minus 1.6 into y, I can write 16y upon 10 is equal to 116. Now I will take 2x minus 4 means it is 2x minus 4 upon 1. 2x minus 4 upon 1. So 2x minus 4 means 2x minus 4 upon 1 minus 16y upon 10. No. Same thing you can write. 2x minus 4 upon 1, you can write 2x upon 1 minus 4 upon 1. Same thing you will get. You can take yes, whole bracket, or you can also take 2x upon 1 and minus 4 upon 1. Separate also you can take. But now LCM of 1 and 10 is 10. So this whole bracket I will multiply by 10. LCM of 1 and 10 is 10. So now we multiply whole bracket by 10. So 2x minus 4 we multiply by 10. 2x minus 4 we multiply by 10. 2x minus 4 we multiply by 10. So you will get 10 into 2x minus 4 upon 10 minus 16y upon 10 is equal to 116. So 10 into 2x, 20x minus 40 upon 10 minus 16y upon 10 is equal to 116. Now denominator is same, so we can simplify the numerator. So that is 20x minus 40 minus 16y upon 10 is equal to 116. So 20x minus 40 minus 16y is equal to, this 10 will multiply 116 into 10. So 20x minus 40 minus 16y is equal to 1160. Now I will take 40 on the other side. So 20x minus 16y is equal to 1160 plus 40. So 20x minus 16y is equal to 1200, and this is my equation number 2. So we have to simplify and get the first equation 1 and 2. This is my equation 1 and this is the equation 2. Now I will apply elimination by substitution method. Finish this part. Now we apply elimination by substitution method. So from equation 1 I will eliminate either x or y. So I will write 1 and 2 together. So from equation 1 I will eliminate x and y, x or y, any one. So equation 1 is 2x plus y. 2x plus y is equal to 250. I will replace y, I will eliminate y. So y is equal to 250 minus 2x. 250 minus 2x. And this value I will substitute in equation 2. Put this value in equation 2. Put this value in equation 2. From equation 1 I have eliminated y. You can also eliminate x, no problem. So everyone you have to eliminate either x or y. And after elimination, whichever value of x or y you will get, that value you have to substitute in equation 2 and simplify. So put this value of y in equation 2, you will get 20x minus 16 into y. My y is 250 minus 2x is equal to 1200. So 20x, now we not 20x, yes, board is clear. Open the bracket, 16 into 250, 0, 16 5 is 80, then it is 16 2 is 32 plus 8, 40, 4000. Minus minus plus 16 into 2x, 32x is equal to 1200. Now 20x plus 32x, I can add 20 plus 32, 52x is equal to 1200 plus 4000. We take 4000 other side. So 52x is equal to 5200. So x is equal to 5200 upon 52. So x is equal to 100. Yes. Now x is 100. Now this value of x, either you will substitute in equation 1 or equation 2 and get the value of y. this value of put x is equal to 100 in equation 1, put x is equal to 100 in equation 1 or equation 2, any one, same answer value you will get. Put x is equal put x is equal to 100, this is the answer of x, but we have to get y also, no? 50, yes. Yes, any one equation. So I am putting this value of x in equation 1. Equation 1 is 2x. So 2 into 100 plus y is equal to 250. So 200 plus y is equal to 250. So y is equal to 250 minus 200. So y is equal to 50. Y is equal to 50. So this type of problem can be asked for 4 marks. Elimination by substitution method. So y is equal to 50. So finally we write our answer. Answer is x is equal to 100 and y is equal to 50. So this is yes. This is elimination by substitution method. This is elimination by substitution method. Yes. This is elimination by substitution method. Means you are given two equations. From equation 1, either 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, they are similar. So that I am planning to give homework. Exercise 5. No. Exercise 5 to see. Exercise 5 to exercise 8 homework. Because we have to cover different type of problems. No, we will go on solve. 8th one I will do. 8th one you can do 1.5x means 15 upon x. 8th one. Yes, 8th one is same, no? Okay. Yes. Exercise 5 to 7 are homework. Now let me do 8th one. In the same way you will do. What is there new in exercise 8? Exercise 8, there is nothing new. Yes. Should I give homework 8th one? 1 point. Okay. Let me solve. Exercise 8. 1.5x plus 0.1y is equal to 6.2 and 3x plus 0.4y is equal to 11.2. So we have to solve each one and get equation 1 and 2 first. So first it is 1.5x plus 0.1y is equal to 6.2. So it, after decimal there is one digit, so this I can write 15x upon 10. After decimal there is one digit, so I can write 1. Yes. Then 6.2 after decimal there is one digit, so this I can write 62 upon 10. So now this I can write 15x plus y upon 10, denominator is same, is equal to 62 upon 10. Now denominator is same, so you can cancel denominators. 10 you can cancel because denominator is same. So you will get 15x plus y is equal to 62, and this is my equation number 1. Denominator is 10 on both the sides, so I can cancel 10, 10. Then similarly you solve second and get equation 2. Similarly we solve equation ISS. No. See here, I am only solving. I am just explaining that we solve. So 3x plus 0.4y is equal to 11.2. So 3x plus 0.4y, I can write 4y upon 10 is equal to 112 upon 10. After decimal there is one digit. 3x means 3x upon 1. LCM of 10 and 1 is 10. So this is 3x into 10. 3x into 10. 3x into 10 upon 10 plus 4y upon 10 is equal to wait. So 30x plus 4y upon 10, I am writing directly, is equal to 112 upon 10. Now there is 10. 0.4 we write, 4y upon 10. No, 4 upon 10 I can write. No, how? No, in the minus of it is given plus. Minus or plus? Okay, so let us take minus, no problem. Let us take minus if it is given minus. Let us take minus if it is given minus in the question. So 3x minus 4y. 3x minus 4y is equal to 112. 30x minus 4y is equal to 112, and this is my equation number 2. Now from equation 1 we either eliminate y or x. Let me eliminate y. So from equation 1 is 15x plus y is 62. So we eliminate y. So y is 62 minus 15x. Y is 62 minus 50x, and this value I will substitute in equation 2. This value we substitute in equation 2 and simplify. This value we substitute in equation 2. This value we substitute in equation 2. So put y is equal to 62 minus 15x in equation 2. So equation 2 is 30x minus 4y, y is 62 minus 15x is equal to 112. So 30x minus 4 into 2, this is 248, minus into minus plus 15 into 4, 60x is equal to 112. So 30 plus 60, 90x is equal to 112 plus 248. So 90x is 512. $90x, 112 plus 248. So 90x, 8 plus 2, 10, 6, 360. So x is 360 upon 90. So x is 4. And this value I will substitute in either equation 1 or equation 2. So put x is equal to 4 in equation 1. Put x is equal to 4 in equation 1. So equation 1 we get 15 into 4, x is 4 plus y is 62. So 15 into 4 is 60. 60 plus y is 62. 60 plus y is 62. 60 plus y. 60 plus y, 60 plus y is 62. 60 plus y is 62. So y is 62 minus 60. So y is 2. So answer is x is 4, y is 2. Answer is x is 4 and y is 2. Answer is x is 4 and y is 2. This is done. We put the value of x is equal to 4 in equation 1 to get the value of y. To find the value of y, you have to find the y value also. So after getting the value of x or y, we substitute that value in equation 1 or equation 2 and get the value of other variable. Then ninth will be same. Ninth. Let me do 10th one. Exercise 9 will be homework. You have to just open the bracket and simplify. Then 10th, 3x, 10th is 2x plus 1 upon 7, 2x plus 1 upon 7, plus, yes, 5y minus 3 upon 3 is 12, and 3x plus 2 upon 2 minus 4y plus 3 upon 9 is equal to minus 4y plus 3 upon 9 is equal to 13. So we have to solve this. 2x, 3x plus 2 upon 2 minus 4y plus 3 upon 3, 9 is equal to 13. So we have to just simplify this. You have to take the LCM of denominators. You have to take LCM of denominators, simplify that and get equation 1 and 2. So denominator first equation, it is 7 and 3. So LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. So we have to make denominator equal 21, 21. No, how you can take LCM of 7 and 3 you have to take. LCM of 7 and 3. So 2x plus 1 upon 7 plus 5y minus 3 upon 3 is equal to 12. Now LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. So we want to make denominator equal. So this numerator and denominator I will multiply by 3. So 3 should I write directly? So 3 multiply. So 3 into 2x plus 1 upon 21 plus this I will multiply and divide by 7. So 7 into 5y minus 3 upon 21 is equal to 12. So 3 into 2, 6x plus 3 upon 21 plus 35y minus 21 upon 21 is equal to 12. Denominator is 21, 21, so I can simplify numerator. So 6x plus 3 plus 35y minus 21 upon 21 is equal to 12. 12 means 12 upon 1. Now cross multiply. 1 is multiplied to this, 21 is multiplied to this. So 6x. We write directly. Some of the step we write directly because we are in 9th standard, no? So some of the step we write directly. 6x plus 35y plus 3 minus 21 is minus 18 is equal to 12 into 21. So 6x plus 35y minus 18 252. Now take 18 on the other side. 6x plus 35y is equal to 252 plus 18. 6x plus 35y is equal to 270. I am writing 270, and this is my equation number 1. Then similarly you simplify and get equation number 2. So that is 3x plus 2 upon 2 minus 4y plus 3 upon 9 is equal to 13. Now LCM of 2 and 9 is 18. So this we multiplied by let me see. LCM of it is very much clear, right? LCM of 2 and 9 is no. I am seeing from your angle that it is clear. No. See here, my dear, from your angle I am seeing it is clear. LCM of 2 and 9 is 18. So LCM of 2 and 9 is 18. So multiply this by 9. So 9 into 3x. Cross multiplication upon 18 you can do. And this I will multiply by 2. So 2 into 4y plus 3. This 4y plus 3 is one term. Upon 18 is equal to 13. So 9 3s are 27x plus 18 minus 2 into 4 8y minus 2 into plus 3 minus 6 upon 18 is equal to 13. So 27x minus 8y plus 18 minus 6 is plus 12 is equal to 13 into 18. Cross multiply 13 into 18. So 27x minus 8y plus 12 is equal to 234. Is equal to 234. Now take 12 on the other side. Take 12 on the other side. So 2x minus 8y, sorry, 27x minus 8y is equal to 234 minus 12. So 27x minus 8y is equal to 4 minus 2, 222. And this is my equation number 2. Now from equation 1, eliminate x or y anyone, and eliminate x or y anyone, and that value you have to substitute in equation 2. So from 1, eliminate x or y anyone. So 6x plus 35y is equal to 270. So you can eliminate anyone. So 35y is equal to 270 minus 6x. So y is equal to 270 minus 6x whole divided by 35. Whole divided by 35. And this value I will substitute in equation 2. Put this value in equation 2. Put this value in equation 2. Put this value in equation 2. Right. Put this value in equation 2. So 27x minus 8 into y is 270 minus 6x upon 35 is equal to 222. Replace y by this value. Now we open the bracket. we open the bracket and simplify. So 27x minus 8 into 270, multiply first. So 27x minus 8 into 80. This we write 8 into 0, 8 7 is 56, 2060 minus we write this 8 we multiply inside. We are not opening the bracket, we are multiplying first 8 inside. Minus 48x, no, I have not opened the bracket, I have kept as it is. I have just multiplied x 8 inside upon 35 is equal to 222. Now I will open the bracket. No, because 8 is there in the numerator, no, so I will multiply that to numerator. Now multiply 35 to 27. 27x means 27 into 27 upon 1. LCM of 1 and 35 is 35. So 27x into 35, multiply first, upon 35 minus 2160 minus 48x upon 35 is equal to 222. How much? 945. So 945x upon 35 minus 2160. Now we open the bracket and take it directly. Directly we take this 35. So this is 945x minus 2160 minus plus 48x is equal to 222. So 945x plus 48x. 945x plus 48x, simplify. So 945x plus 48x, 8 5 13, 9, and this is 993x minus 2160 is equal to 222 into 35. 35 will get multiplied. So 993x is equal minus 2160 is equal to multiply how much? Do it fast. 7000. Now take 2160 on the other side. So 993x is equal to 7770 plus 2160. So 993x is equal to 0 9930. Now divide that by 993. You will get the value of x as 10. Yes, you will get the value of x is 10. So x is 9930 upon 993. X is 9930 upon 993. So x is 10. Now this value you put in equation 1 or equation 2, get the value of y first. Put this value in equation 1. Put x is equal to 10 in equation 1. Put x is equal to 10 in equation 1. Yes. What is our equation 1? Tell me first. What is equation 1? 6x, so 10 plus 35y. 35y is equal to 6x plus 35y is equal to how much? So put x is equal to you will get the value of y as 6. Value of y as 6. So answer is, wait, how you can leave? X is 10, y is 6. How you can leave? Now, exercise 11, to exercise 14. Our homework. Same type of problem. With this elimination, where it is homework? If we are doing the same, see here, finally you have to appear the board exam. So you need a practice. Next, last period we will do other method. Bye. Last period we'll see the second method to solve system of linear equation. Bye everybody.